with the, you know. Daniel, what do you see? Maybe soon. We have to find out what time they start. It looks like she's coming out. People look like they're starting to sit down.
Huh?
People are looking like they're starting to sit down.
I'm sorry.
That's okay.
I'm like such a complainer.
That's okay.
Just try to drink some water. Don't climb though. Don't climb. No, don't climb. Don't climb.
Daniel, don't climb. Daniel. Yeah, we can sit down. We'll sit down on the thing. We'll see a show. Let's go sit down. Okay, come. Chloe, come. Let's sit down.
What do you mean
Let's go sit down.
No, the other one.
Other side?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the other side, Chloe. Come.
We might want to just stay here.
Yeah? Okay, maybe we'll stay here. We'll see everything here.
But you know what's going to happen? If more people come, they're going to block. If more people come, they're going to stand here and block the view. So we're going to stay here. Baby, where's your sunglasses at? Put 'em on.
Wait a little bit. We're waiting for the show, Daniel.